I'm going to show you how you can add a rotating image banner like this to any Shopify theme. Here are a few other examples. Also, you can make them look lovely on mobile as well too, with different aspect ratios. If we go out to the section level, you'll notice that there are a few different important settings. So if you're working in Horizon or Dawn, you can select those for width options, or you could set it to fixed if you want to adjust the width yourself. And there's also even a custom theme option if you're a developer and want to set your own custom class theme for width. I'm going to select Horizon theme here. If we go into the different layouts, you'll notice that in this section, there's a layout up here with some text that is added above the actual slider. Then there's this rotating image slider section down here where if we go to customize, we can actually open up the slider settings and we can adjust whether we want it to autoplay or loop or so much more. We can even adjust the arrow positioning and all that good stuff. Within the rotating image layout, we can click into each one of our images and we can add a link to anywhere on your Shopify site or even an external link, and we can even drop in our own images. Also, we can adjust our border radius and even our aspect ratios if we want the image size to look different or proportionate in a different way. If you are curious how to add this section to your store, I'll explain that now, and it is through this app called Flexi. For full transparency, this is an app that I developed myself. I'm a professional Shopify developer who's been working on Shopify Plus stores for 5+ years or so now. And this is a professional library that I maintain and I upkeep myself. And I used to charge $1,000 per section, but now you can just add the library for only $12 per month. And considering it's something that I upkeep and maintain, and it kind of feels like having a professional developer in your back pocket, it's a pretty good deal. With that being said, if we go over into the app, once it's installed, you want to select the slider sections tab, then choose your theme, and then search for rotating image banner. You see there are a few different examples here, and you can add any of these sections directly into your Shopify theme by just hitting the Add Sections button only after you select the theme that you want to add them to. Then navigate over to your theme, hit plus to add in a section, and type in rotating image banner. Then you can select any one of these sections here. I'm going to show you the one that's displaying here. So once it's loaded in, I have it set to full page width, but I'm just going to set it to fixed just so we can view it a little bit better. Then you can easily start to add in images here. I'm going to add in one of this cafe worker. Once they are added in, you'll notice that the images cycle through. You'll need to then add in images to your remaining images to always have an image displayed. If you found this video useful and if you are interested in learning more about how to edit Shopify themes and also how to build your own custom Shopify theme sections and blocks, I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel, and I highly recommend you subscribe if you are actively working within Shopify themes. Anyways, cheers.